Home Remedies presents Dump laundry detergent in your toilet tank and watch what happens. Have you tried the fabric softener hack? Cleaning the toilet and keeping it smelling sweet are two of the trickiest and potentially most unpleasant chores in the house. But the latest hot cleaning tip promises to keep your toilet smelling freshly cleaned all day thanks to a fabric softener hack. Pour a cup of laundry detergent or fabric softener in the tank of the toilet. So, what will happen here? The detergent will sink to the bottom and remain in the tank. Each time you flush, a sweet aroma will be released in the tank and the whole bathroom will smell amazing. It won't damage your toilet or the septic system. The people who have tried it have praised the idea and have used the hack on their own toilets. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.